Hi, this is about the LIC IPO. If you're thinking of subscribing to the LIC IPO, well, here's my suggestion. Yes, you can surely go ahead with the LIC IPO. Well, that was a short answer. If you want to know what's going in for LIC IPO, so here's the thing. Few months back, when we were talking about the IPO, there were a few challenges around it. Firstly, the valuation, which is basically the price at which the share of the LIC, the LIC shares were available. There were a lot of concerns around it. So why would somebody pay a lot of money for LIC? Does it have the value for the investor to make money? Well, then there was a premium that was there. So for example, the government was thinking of raising about 50,000 crores for about 3.5% stake. So today, when we are talking about the LIC IPO being announced, for the same 3.5%, the money that the government is planning to raise is about 21,000 crores. So you can see the difference in the valuation from a 50,000 crore premium to now expecting about 21,000 crore for the 3.5%. Is quite a bit of bargain in the valuation that has happened. So for you as an investor, there is definitely some upside to be had or rather to be earned by investing in the IPO. Secondly, earlier we were also talking about raising, or the government was raising about 5%, which would have made the size of the IPO quite large. That would have had concerns of whether India as a domestic market, uh, or even including some of the overseas investors, you know, did we have the appetite to absorb such a large issue of a size of in excess of 50,000 crores? Now with 21,000 crore, which still makes it the largest IPO in the country, I think still there is some, there is still some hope that this issue will subscribe and will be a success. Of course, for an investor, what matters is that if I put money, is it going to make me some money in a period of time? Well, it's difficult to say if this particular investment is going to make you money in the short term. But yes, definitely you will see some money to be made in the let's say a 6 months to 1 year time. Having said that, even if it takes more than that, you should be willing to stay invested. So that's my 2 cents with regards to the LIC IPO. Hope it has been useful.